Hi. The best walk behind lawn mower do not have to be the most expensive tool. This model attaining high performance and great results. And available on the market at very reasonable and cheap prices. First, let's see the features of this great product.
Cutting edge of grass grooming tech, MJ400E electric lawnmower from Sunjo. Powered by a robust 12-amp motor, MJ400E delivers the performance of a gas machine with the convenience of an eco-friendly electric, with no fumes, fuss, or costly tune-ups. MJ400E's durable steel blade cuts a 13-inch wide, precise path on each pass. Simply plug in, power up, press the trigger, and mow. And Sunjo's 3-position manual height adjustment system lets you customize the cut to suit your yard. MJ400E is the easy-to-use electric mower that's perfect for small lawns. Lightweight at just 22 pounds, the Sunjo mower is easy to maneuver around corners and in tight spaces where bulky mowers just can't cut it. The detachable 9.2-gallon grass bag with built-in indicator flap catches the clippings as you mow for quick and easy disposal after the job's done. And every MJ400E comes backed by Sunjo's complete 2-year warranty. So ditch the gas and cut the grass with the MJ400E electric lawnmower from Sunjo. Get equipped.
And these are our editor ratings for this product.